We're here today with Matt Charles, Sales Director at MiR. And Matt, you recently gave a talk down at the AMR conference in Memphis about the journey for successful fleet deployment. You want to give us a little bit of the highlights on that?
Yeah, really some of the highlights are identifying who the right partners are to work with, and then really just getting started now. So bringing those people in, identifying applications that are going to be successful for you, and just diving into the technology, getting some experience, getting that first robot in to start that journey along to successful deployment. So start with one, get it working, functioning, tweaked it perfectly, and then scaling that to larger fleets there after that point is really the whole part of the conversation that we had.
And so us at RoBEX, we're kind of helping get that thing kickstarted with our QuickStart system, kind of combining that with our MiR FLEXX program. So the idea is to get the first robot in. It's a MiR 1350 pallet lift. You can get it as a monthly license, so it's no capital expense at all. And you'll learn a lot from that first system, and then kind of add on from there and progressively learn and grow with how the AMR systems work out.